y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is LaMonica. We do lifestyle and beauty videos here over on the channel. If you subscribe, you will have some fun if you join the family as well. Today, y'all, we are running a few errands, and the first stop is going to be donating to the Goodwill. It's called Savers, but it's like a Goodwill donation center, and it's always exciting and a blessing to give back. And so we've done some spring cleaning, fall cleaning, whatever you want to call it, and now we're going to drop that off. So yeah, this wall behind me is so cute, so I had to stop here and show you guys a little bit of it. But we will show you guys the different errands that we'll do today. Today is an errands day. It is cloudy, so I'll see you guys in a few. Oh, look at my hair. So we're about to go into this international market. I'm so excited. I forgot to get an item yesterday when I was in here. This is top 10. That was fun. I really enjoy going to the international market. Y'all, I really enjoy going to the international store. As you can see, I was too hyped, but I did get a couple things. We have a few more errands to run, and then I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. You find so many different things, and I'm just so excited and always like to try new dishes, so I am hype about this. So that definitely has made my day. Comment down below if you've been to an international market. Like, what do you typically go to international stores for when you're making certain meals? But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later.
You say you don't want to get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy.
Y'all already dug in, but proper hotness.
Proper, stand pipi.
The pressure is getting worse. All right, y'all, so that food was so good. For that to be my first time making Egusi soup, and I've made a sorrow before, aka yam porridge, but this time, girl, let me know if you tried to make any international dishes before and how did they come out. Thumbs up or thumbs down. I think I did a really good job. My husband said I did a good job. Tastes really good. Smells like it's authentically from Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm really, really excited to keep trying these dishes, and don't give up on the dish. If you can't get it right the first time, just keep trying it. But anywho, I do want to show y'all what I got from Bath & Body Works yesterday. Starting off with this lotion because I used this last night. This is the Lavender and Vanilla Ultimate Hydration Body Cream in the Sleep Aromatherapy. Y'all, it was okay, let me start off with this rant real quick. So Bath & Body Works, tried it. Buy 3, get 3 free is not really free. What they did was, the more you were buying, the less the value of the product was. So for example, this was $16.50. If I bought multiple things that were $16.50, then each thing would be like half off, because it was ringing up to like $6 or something like that, which is still a good price. But don't tell me buy 3, get 3 free. Free is 0.00. Anyway, let me know if I'm tripping. These systems is is trying to play your girl. But yeah, so got this, the Sleep Aromatherapy Sleep Ultimate Hydration Body Cream, Lavender Vanilla. Also picked up the Lavender Vanilla Pillow and Body Mist. This one has vitamin E and aloe. The hydration has shea butter and hyaluronic acid. If you guys know, hyaluronic acid locks in moisture, so you definitely need that hydration and moisture, especially during this colder months and colder days. So this is going to be bomb, and it felt so good. It smells so good, y'all. Like, this lavender vanilla just smells so good. So I'm going to spray this on the pillow, but it's a body mist and a pillow mist. Also got another Sleep body wash and foam bath, same scent. Love this stuff. This is the body wash. And then also picked up this. Now this I definitely want to try tonight. This is the lavender and vanilla shower steamer, and it's the same scent, but the shower steamers, I'm thinking is like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, lavender is very calming, just relaxing, and then this is the sleep one, so you should get a good night's sleep. Like, I have been enjoying this lavender, but this says lavender oil inspires tranquility, vanilla absolute calms the mind to encourage relaxation. So yeah, let me know if you tried these steamers before. These, I'm guessing, I know I've seen the like Vicks ones that you drop this tablet in your shower and then the steam from the shower will, you know, this is self-care right here. But y'all, got all of these. Got all of these for the set. Also picked up another one of those shower gels. I had a coupon that was like get a product for free. And then got the eucalyptus and spearmint set for my husband. He loves the eucalyptus scent. Let me smell this one. Oh yeah, definitely eucalyptus. Definitely gonna open up your pores, open up your nostrils, especially with the things that's going around today. And then I just picked up 2 of these Nightlight wallflowers. I already have the fillers, which I love. This Merlot one is fire. And then the white tea and sage, I showed you guys that in the previous vlog. So just picked up some more of these to put around the house. And of course, this was during the time that candles were $9.95. Yo, back in the day, Bath & Body Works used to be $8.95 during this time. This inflation has changed things so drastically. So I just picked up one because we already have a lot of candles. But I just picked up this spring one because it just smells so good. This is watermelon lemonade. It's watermelon, mayo lemon, and sparkling water are the notes. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It's very tempting to go and get more, but this is the one candle that we got. So yeah, that's everything we got from Bath & Body Works. I just wanted to show you guys that. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and see how these products are. I am so excited to test out the bath shower steamer. So I'll definitely let you guys know about those. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.